Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Sell your ice block machine when it has served you for 5 years. Yes, you heard me right. Sell your ice block machine when it has served you for 5 years. The reason why I'm saying this is that the ice block machine is a machine, is an electric car setup, is a mechanical setup. And mechanical setups have lifespan. Those who made them, they don't make them to last forever. After a while, the wear and tear begins to come in. It is like a lady, it's like a guy. When they are still young, you see everywhere is intact. The figure, the anatomy, the figure 8, the anatomy comes out. But these same people that were beautiful, they were handsome, that was tall and everything, when they grow old, they begin to bend to walk. They can't stand as they used to stand. And then the face that used to be smooth and beautiful begins to get wrinkled. And then you begin to wonder, was this the person that was so beautiful at a time? The same applies to machines. After some time you have used any machine, be thinking of replacing them, sell them as scrap, or sell them at second-hand value. Now, the ice block machine is a money-making machine and is making you money. If after you have used it to make money for 5 years, why can't you sell it at a good price and then add money to it and buy a better one? What I'm telling you is the reason why taxis are being pushed out of market in Nigeria today. Bolt has come, Uber has come, and many other ride-share apps have come. Now, these apps mandate their drivers that have the vehicles to have air conditioning. From time to time, they do vehicle inspection. So the driver, as the tire is being wear and tear is affecting the tires, the driver is planning how he will replace the tires, because he knows that the company can call them anytime to inspect. The same thing applies to the air condition. The same thing applies if the car is bashed and Panebita works on it. They will not leave it that way unpainted. They will paint it because they want to appear the best to the passengers. And because of this, the app-based cars are being maintained, are being looked after, but the taxis are not being looked after. A person that has this app-based car and is using it is planning how he's going to replace the car, is investing, is saving money, and from every penny he makes, he's saving money to see how he's going to replace it. But the taxi drivers are not doing that. And then you can enter some taxis, they will tear your clothes. The taxi is going to tear your clothes because it is not being maintained. Now, let me bring that back again to what I'm talking about, the ice block business. If the machine has undergone wear and tear and you do not replace it, what will happen is that the mechanic that will be coming to repair your ice block machine is going to be eating you every time, because the machine will be having faults every time. So to avoid this kind of scenario, it is important that you don't use an ice block machine for more than 5 years, or as the case may be, number of years, when you see that the capacity or the functionality of the machine have reduced. I'm going to come your way again next time. My name is Olubenga. I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel, and if you are subscribed, share the link of this video with your family and with your friends. And then what else do you do? Drop your comment in the comment section below, and this video popping up right now is the next you need to see, and learn from. Bye for now.